Hello everyone, this is Citizen. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to disable this annoying thing. So if you use Windows, you might be familiar with if you press shift too many times. I'll demonstrate right now. This annoying thing shows up. Now, it asks you if you want to turn on sticky keys, and it's very annoying. And at first I had no clue what to do, because when you go here, it looks like it's already off, which is really annoying because I don't want that to happen. But there is a way to fix this. So what you're gonna do is make this open again. Go to here, and you're gonna click this button, and then you see this setting over here. You're gonna want to click it so it's off, and that should do it. Now if I press shift again, it won't do anything. I hope the tutorial helped you, and this is just for you. This is for Windows 11. I'm using Windows 11 PC. So yeah.